Doing great. Can we have everyone on his screen? Okay. So today, I think some of us has joined. You are joining. Zella, good morning. Okay. So starting with our today's day. Good afternoon, Delin. So it's good morning. Okay. So starting with our day, as Tanvi, my colleague, has already given you a brief yesterday that what all we would be doing today. So it's going to be actually a different session altogether, not based on our theoretical concepts or daily scenario discussion during the entire session, but yes, it is something which we would be summarizing all together through a very, very interactive session where we would be watching a Bollywood movie. So just I wanted to ask from the cohort, how many of you have been watching Bollywood movies, or you have ever seen any movie till date that you really liked it and you remember certain, takeaways or insights that could be drawn from any such movie? So anybody who is a keen watcher of Bollywood movies, they can raise their hand, they can discuss on voice. Mariam. Mariam, can we have the name of which movie you have seen? Yeah. Am I audible to Mariam?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Oh, Dennis saying will be my first day experience. Oh, great. So I think we caught you well on time to give you a
Yes,
flair.
indeed.
Yes. And moreover, you are enjoying and relaxing with your annual leaves that you are availing. So it's
Yes.
best time. Especially Shah Rukh Khan, Mariam, that's great. So today, though, we hit at the right point because we would be watching a movie with some of the traits that we have already discussed during these sessions that we have undergone in the past few days. And Allah says the three idiots. Oh, great. So, I mean, it's nothing new with the cohort. And I'm sure that, watching this movie would be giving us more key takeaways and insights to take us forward based on the title that we are discussing, taking our team from good to great. Yes. Okay. Yash says, been watching movies since children. Okay. So since childhood, you have been watching, you have been enjoying, and that is what we have designed today, that taking the entire initiative where our team was discussing and we were deliberating that how we can actually give a flair of altogether a different perspective, that in reality how the things come up and how these things what we have studied, may it be psychology, may it be our leadership traits, may it be the group formation through various stages, storming, forming and all, how it is being inculcated all together and to drive to a high performing team where our goals, our objectives, set targets are being met. So for this, we have decided that the cohort and we all together would be watching a movie named Chak De. Anybody who is aware about this movie may raise the hand, but yes, they don't have to, pour out all the secret and everything of the movie. I just want that the hand should be raised that yes, I have seen this movie Chak De India. Anyone in the cohort?
I'm sorry, I was taken with the file. I'm just, hi. Hi.
Hi, Rajvanti. Hi. How
Can
are
you hear
you?
me?
Yeah.
Fine.
No. Yeah.
Yeah. You already started. I went there for a file. Let me close the file now. Yes. So you already started with what I missed.
You absolutely didn't miss anything. We were discussing that how to summarize the sessions till the date we had and how we can make our sessions more interactive. Since you guys are online, we are meeting virtually. So how to give you that flair and somewhat equivalent when the ITIC people or the participants who are taking trainings through MET, they get a flair, a different altogether perspective when they visit here personally in the offline mode. And since we wanted to maintain that sort of a flair and flavor in this cohort as well, so our team, Tanvi and Vani, all together decided, let's have a good discussion based on a movie that we would be showing. We would be deliberating and discussing, and you all together have to be very attentive in understanding that what all sessions we have covered, how you can correlate those teachings, those learnings in perspective of what you are seeing through the movie. May it be the thinking big picture or building vision, setting goals, understanding others, managing emotions, all these topics which we have covered, you are there to understand and to come up with new ideas that how the things are being taken forward in the movie and how we can actually uh, uh, have different perspective altogether. And again, it's a two-way learning process where some things which our directors have already incorporated through a movie, they wanted to share some message with us. But yes, the movie is Chak De India, and I don't think anybody has seen this movie. Mariam. Oh, Mariam, you have seen this movie. So, Mariam, I request you not to disclose all the information, all the secrets of this movie. And yes, but let me give you a quick brief summary. Chak De India is a social movie that comprises of the entire human and behavioral aspect of human beings. And the human attributes like motivation, leadership, perception, team dynamics are clearly and explicitly presented in the movie. So in this regard, we can call Chak De India as a behavioral movie. I am not going to discuss much because we will be taking small pauses after 15 minutes, and then we will be taking the things forward that what the different dimensions and different observations that we have based on those movie clippings that we will be taking through the entire day. So can I request my colleague Tanvi to please set all the forum to take us through this Chak De India. And I'm sure everybody's excited.
Yes, today there is no lecture in the handbook. No day 8. So day 8 is watching film.
Okay, fine. So the entire cohort is with me. Great. Thank you, Ella, for showing me thumbs up and to take the things forward. Thank you. So over to you, Tanvi, to share the clipping.
Oh,
Yash is also enjoying. So I have the cohort with me. And even, I understand that when I watched this movie long time back, but again and again, if you get a chance to see, every now and then you get a different view altogether. So, yeah.
You can see my screen, right?
Yes. See, this screen is visible. Advertisement is there.
I'll play it and then you go.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so I think we are through with the movie and actual conclusion has been drawn. So let's gear up to summarize and wind it up. Uh, any take from this entire movie that we have gone through, and any certain key takeaways that you find it interesting?
Well, for me, very intriguing movie. I just loved it. My first time Bollywood. I'm definitely looking forward for another one. So,
Okay.
yes, I loved it so much. So for me, the takeaway will be Kabi stood 200% on his what he wanted to achieve. He remained consistent all the way through. Even if in the first match they lost to 7-0 to the World Championship Australia, he still remained consistent, and the players also gradually. I like Preeti. Preeti proved something to his husband to be. He remember in the movie previously, he was saying that I will marry you whether you win or lose, but the world, the nation will not remember you. But he makes sure that Preeti ensured that by scoring the first goal in that World Championship. And I noticed something also. Kabi had limited resources. Like Australia, they had a group when they were printing out how to move about, but limited resources. Then again, it shows if you are consistent, whatever you have, you will achieve whatever you need. And something Kabi did along the way, he re-strategized. He re-strategized how to his approach towards the game, which eventually paid the result. They are champions. Thank you.
Thank you, Dennis, for all your inputs. I think we have inputs on the chat box as well. Elham is saying loyalty of the nation. Very true. That is always being kept by the coach on top of the entire, challenges that he has been undergoing in, motivating, building that team spirit, and how he has overcome each and every stage where such kind of risk was there. Still, he took the initiative to bring them all together. Zela says confidence, team spirit, motivation leads to success. Yes, in reality, at our workplaces, everywhere where we are trying to align our team, it is the true spirit made be towards the nation, towards the organization. It is which is going to lead to success. Every time it cannot be that only the monetary terms could be a good motivator. At times it rewards recognition. How he actually inbuilt that instinct in each and every team member is also somewhat taken care of. Abdul Rahman says good and great. Yes. Ilham says effective and efficiently. Absolutely. How effective you are, how much more and more you can attain being more productive is something where your efficiency and effectiveness lies. Audrey says, stages of team formation fully followed. It is important to be focused until the goal is attained. The coach is finally happy, same to the team. Success is attributed to both the team and the coach. Yes, but here if I say success is again where everyone is equally accountable, but same goes for the failure as well. If and by any chance they are not able to perform, then it is not only the coach, but equally the team members who should take the onus, and they should be taking the responsibility, may it be success or failure. And it is where how much dedicatedly we have put in our efforts matters the most. Wisdom says, may the dream comes true. Allah says, success needs hard work, perseverance, belief in the team, and knowing the team is strength. That is the experienced player. Recognition is a great motivator. Yes. And Abdul Rahman says, success always attributed both to team leader and subordinates. Yeah. Cecilia says his limitants became his challenges. Yes. And that's what we talk about, to, convert all your challenges into opportunities and how you come up with flying colors. And with this note, we are on the verge of wrapping up today's session. And now it's time to have your valuable feedback. So here is your feedback link. We look forward each and everybody's input so that we have again scope for improvement. How did you like this session and how we can make this session better and more interactive? That is what we look forward from you. So tomorrow we will be meeting up again with new sessions and gearing up with more discussions onto upcoming topics. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Till then, relax, take good care of your health. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Take care. Oh,
Bye-bye.
Ilham says
Thank
new
you.
movie. Yeah, we will surely search and we'll come up some more good movies. Great. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.